Hey y'all, y'all know I'm excited. I can't even get it out. So if you watched my Hobby Lobby this week, I'm gonna revert back just in case you didn't. So Saturday I was scrolling through YouTube and getting caught up on some of the videos, and I came across Hi Miss Grandma Sandy, and she went to Home Goods and found these beautiful teapots, the saucers. Oh my good. I have been on the hunt looking for not the identical pattern, but something similar to the pattern that she picked up. And I said, oh man, I was so upset. I was like, dang, I wish there was a Home Goods like near me. The closest one is like an hour away. So I said, well, I'm not doing anything because the hubby transferred money into my account and said to get out of the house and go shopping. You didn't have to tell me twice. So again, if you follow me on Facebook, I was posting at 7:30 that I found a Home Goods 20 minutes from my house. They just opened one 20 minutes 3 weeks ago, and I didn't even know about it. So let me show y'all what I found. Y'all gonna be getting more Home Goods now that I got one in the area. 'Cause that was my store when I was in Charlotte. Oh, I used to be at Home Goods every other day. I'm sorry this is so long. I'm getting into it, y'all. Alright, here we go. So I found this beautiful sugar bowl. Look at all the different pretty pinks. And it has the gold on the top. And this was $4.99. Nice lid. And it says fine porcelain from Greece. So I thought this was so pretty, you know, and then it has the blue. So this is going to be what I purchased today. This is for my birthday table, because I'm not having no extravagant party, you know, due to the coronas and everything. I'm not inviting anybody over. This is just for me to have my lovely seafood and just decorate my table and to enjoy my birthday, because it's on a Sunday this year. Alright, let's see what else I got. I didn't get too much because they didn't really, I stayed in the store for an hour. They really didn't have a lot of stuff at this Home Goods. I guess because it just opened 3 weeks ago and everybody done been in there and done got everything. But what I did get, I was very happy with it. Isn't this cute? So I got a little creamer cup. Got the same pattern as the sugar bowl, and this was $4.99. I thought that was so pretty and elegant. I just love the pattern. So I was able to get this to match up. Yep. Super excited with that. And then I was walking down and they had like a box of clearance stuff. I was like, wow. Salad spoon and fork with the gold handle. These are very nice and heavy. Now these were, looks like originally $9.99, but they marked it down to $8. And I knew if I would have left it, I would have been thinking about it all week, and then somebody would have got it. So I've never had like a heavy duty salad, because we eat a lot of salads in the summertime. So I thought this was very different and elegant at the same time. So got me a nice little set. Broke down and got it. why not? Treat yourself, you know? Next, this is the fabulous piece. I got me a teapot. I never had one. And look at that. And that is the style that they had. And this was $12.99. And you can see the gold all around the rim and the lid. Now, this doesn't actually go with the print, but it's similar. So I thought that was very pretty. And I will be displaying this when I do my birthday table. I'm gonna have hot water in here, and because winter's getting ready to come, and I'll start drinking my tea with my lemon for my voice. But yes, I thought this was, oh, even if I only found this, it made my day. It really made my day Saturday when I went out. Next, this is the fabulous piece. I got me a teapot. I never had one. And look at that. And that is the style that they had. And this was $12.99. And you can see the gold all around the rim and the lid. Now, this doesn't actually go with the print, but it's similar. So I thought that was very pretty. And I will be displaying this when I do my birthday table. I'm gonna have hot water in here, and because winter's getting ready to come, and I'll start drinking my tea with my lemon for my voice. But yes, I thought this was, oh, even if I only found this, it made my day. It really made my day Saturday when I went out. Alright, so I'm gonna stop talking because I know I can talk a lot. And I'm gonna wrap that back up. That wrapped up. So I don't break it. Lastly, I was getting ready to leave out the store, and something said, go back around again, Kel. Because it was like calling my name. Something said, don't leave yet. Take the buggy and go back around. I said, shit, I don't know how much all this going to bring up, but let me go back around. And you're not going to believe how much this was. Look at this. Hide the price right now. I want you to just focus on the bowl. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Bottom. Look at that. I've never seen a piece so pretty and elegant. This just hollers bouginess, classiness, sassy, just the whole shebuggle. And it was $5.99. $5.99. Where are you going to find such elegance? A beautiful bowl for $5.99. This, even I thought the teapot was my best, But this was the absolutely best find. Besides all my fabulous vintage thrifts that I always come across, but this is my favorite bowl. So yes, I was like super happy. I was like, thank you, husband. He rarely gives me money to go out to buy decor because it's like a jungle in here, and then the 2 storages. But I've been going off every day, and the last 2 days it's been very quiet in the house, and he came out and he was like, what's wrong? I was like, they got a Home Goods like 20 minutes away, and I don't have any money. Here, I just transferred money to your account. Get out. Go enjoy yourself. Give me a couple hours so I can go to sleep. Like, yes. So, sorry this video is long, but if you know anyone that is interested in shopping hauls and what you can find for very cheap but beautiful and elegant pieces for your table, I'm your girl. My name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. If you are a new watcher, please do not forget to hit